The new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Compare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
Calphalon knows that perfect results begin with precise, even heat. And the new Calphalon Quartz Heat Countertop Oven delivers. With 11 precision cooking functions and even heat technology to carefully regulate temperature and generate 40% more even heat. So no matter what you're making, it will be evenly baked, dehydrated, or crisp. The turbo convection feature circulates air quickly and evenly for perfection in every serving. Calphalon Appliances.